Look at that glass.
Okay, I'm not sure what Rusty's doing, but besides freaking me out. Trying to test it. I missed it unloading earlier because I went and grabbed my phone and he got it off, but it has no brakes. They found out after they bought it that it does not have brakes, so they had to unload it using this bucket right there for the brakes, and it was scary.